Hello everyone on my YouTube channel. Please watch this video until the end to fully understand the strategy. Today I will show you a crypto arbitrage strategy between two crypto exchanges. We will make a profit on the difference of the Bitcoin exchange rate. We will work with Binance and XR crypto exchanges. Instead of Binance, you can use any other crypto exchange, such as Bybit, Coinbase, or Kraken. I carefully checked the XR crypto exchange, found their Telegram channel, and followed the official Twitter account. Although it immediately disappeared, and I decided to test this strategy. Before we start, take a look at the Bitcoin exchange rate on Binance. I will show the example of 0.12 Bitcoin on Binance. 0.12 Bitcoin costs almost $2,000. Now let's switch to the X-Out and see how much we can earn. As you can see, the Bitcoin rate on X-Out is 12% more than on Binance, so our profit will be 12%. Let's check it out. To begin with, our task is to transfer Bitcoin from the Binance wallet to the X-Out wallet in order to sell it at a higher rate in the future. As you can see from the transaction history that I'm actively testing this strategy, and only after a few tests I decided to record a video. As soon as Bitcoin have arrived, we sell them for USDT on X-Out, and we can immediately see our profit. We reserved 2,216 USDT for the sale, therefore our profit was $216 for one cycle of the strategy. Now all we have to do is reroute our USDT back to Binance, buy Bitcoin again at a low rate, and sell again on X-Out. This can be done several times a day. USDT has successfully arrived on our Binance wallet, and let's summarize. We bought 0.12 Bitcoin on Binance for $2,000 and sold on X-Out for $2,216. Our profit for a spent 15 minutes in one such trade was $216. If you make such 4 trades, then in an hour it is possible to earn almost $1,000. I recommend testing with $100 or $200 to understand how the strategy works before making a large deposit. That's all. The video has come to the end. You will find all necessary links in the description. I wish you all profit. See you in next videos. Bye bye.